Outer 4 to 3 Nora.
3 Nora, go ahead.
I've got a lot to go on here. I've got a felony hit and run with the DOA in the roadway, so you might want to just notify TCIS right now. I'm the only Seattle car here. I'm being supported by Shoreline. It's going to be on our side of the road.
Get it as closer to Aurora as you can, as close as possible anyway.
Pretty, do you have any description for the victim of the collision?
We're working on a fatal hit and run of a pedestrian here. I've got 2 suspect vehicles that collided with him. Notify Metro that 145th is closed completely between Linden and Aurora for this fatal hit and run collision investigation. They will have to reroute.